Elon Musk made a statement recently that sounds strange at first. He said that when a mass driver on the moon starts working, money may become much less important. That sounds unrealistic, so let's explain what he actually means in a very simple way. Think of the moon as a giant storehouse floating in space. Moon rocks contain metals, oxygen, and materials that can be turned into fuel. Right now, sending anything into space from Earth is extremely expensive. We need huge rockets, massive amounts of fuel, and every launch costs a fortune. The moon is different. Its gravity is much weaker, which means it is far easier to send things into space from the moon than from Earth. A mass driver is not a rocket. It is more like a giant electric slingshot or a very long magnetic rail. Using electricity and magnets, it accelerates containers filled with moon material until they are fast enough to fly directly into space. No fuel explosions, no rockets burning tons of fuel, just electricity, mostly from solar power. This means materials can be launched into space again and again at very low cost. Metals from the moon can be used to build satellites, space stations, and large structures directly in orbit. Oxygen and other materials can be turned into rocket fuel, allowing spacecraft to refuel in space instead of carrying everything from Earth. When it becomes cheap to move millions of tons of material from the moon, building things in space becomes far cheaper than anything we can do today. Energy, metals, and infrastructure stop being rare. On Earth, money matters because resources are limited. When something is scarce, people compete for it and prices rise. But when something becomes extremely abundant, its value changes. We don't pay for air because there is so much of it. Elon Musk is suggesting that if space resources become abundant in the same way, basic materials and energy may no longer be controlled by money in the way they are today. The economy would shift away from scarcity and toward abundance. Money would not disappear completely. People would still value skills, creativity, and rare experiences. But for basic materials and energy, money might matter far less than it does now. This is why Elon Musk believes the moon and technologies like mass drivers could change how civilization works, not just in space, but on Earth as well. So the real question is not whether money disappears, but whether technology makes some parts of life so abundant